welcome back to another video. So today we are going up to Leicester for the Leicester Shutdown. It's a bit like that Leeds/Yorkshire one that I went to. If you did watch it, then you know you'll know sort of what the meet is going to be like. I'm just on my way now to go pick up Charlie, which is a mate of mine. He's coming with me tonight. And obviously I've noticed that people don't watch my videos fully, so I'm gonna put it in there now. If you want to follow me on my socials, I'll put it somewhere, you know, on the screen for you to follow me on, and you know, see behind the scenes of filming and things like that. I do also stream as well. I've just got all my streaming set up ready on my PC, so my Twitch and that, I'll leave it there for you. But yeah, hope you do enjoy it. I'm hoping it's going to be a good meet. It should be, and I will see you when we're there. Right, so we've just turned up on the static location, and yeah, can't really see much, but it's going to start piling up very soon now. Hopefully it's going to be a good one. Clean as fuck. Proper clean, isn't it? Right, so I did try and film you know, cars that are in here, but we got caught up talking to a few people, like, which they're actually quite nice people.
Yeah, they was right, wasn't it?
So there's a new loco now, and literally we can't move. But it's black, cannot move. But when we get there, well, yeah, I'll show you in the next clip. It should be good. Just trying to get out of this bloody place. It is crap. That way, look all the cars leave there. Oh. That was close, wasn't it?
Yep. I think
Man, look at it, it's like a Fast and Furious thing, man.
Fast and Furious shit, mate. Absolute Fast and Furious things.
Well, another one bites the bloody dust, eh? Oh god.
Proper traffic unit, done him. ST.
Oh, let me guess, loud exhaust. Oh, bloody hell. We're at a new location, pulled into a fuel station, and it's literally shut down. And obviously the police are turned on. Oh, yeah, look, they're all running now, look. All running, look, it's shut down. I think we're gonna have to get going. But literally, look, it's shut down. Cars everywhere. What's up when you come to these types of meets?
Recognise the plate? Do you remember that
one?
one?
I remember that, yeah. The only problem with these meets is literally, you know, if you know, you know, like, but they get shut down because, you know, it's Mexico. But yeah, it looks like I have to get back in the car again. Yeah, look at it all. Mad. Well, we turned up to this one, and it's been shut down again. Right, another location. This one is a Mexico